So, by all means, I'm definitely late to the party, but I finally got my hands on some brand new Cinestill 400D, and to say that I'm excited to shoot it would be an understatement. Ever since I shot some Cinestill 800T portraits, I've been dreaming about a film stock between 800T and their 50D. Thus, earlier this year, Cinestill finally answered the prayers and blessed Papa with their newest film stock, 400D. When it was first launched, all the promo pics had me bursting with excitement seeing the less contrasty, yet warm tones. From landscapes, portraits, lifestyle photos, all the promo photos looked great. Now, yes, I know they're promo pics for a reason. They're the best of the best for what they could get out of a set number of marketing roles. But they still look great. On top of this, 400D still has the light halation, which is a trademark of Cinestill's 800T, and it to me is the biggest defining factor of Cinestill. So after seeing nothing but great things on the promo pics, I ordered the pre-order order right away, and after a couple months finally got them, but didn't shoot them right away for whatever reason. I was shooting some other things, but I finally got around to testing them and putting them to some use. Now, after seeing both my own photos and comparing them with the promo photos, I really do think that it does remind me somewhat of Portra 400, which is definitely not a bad thing at all. Both in 120 and 35mm, it gives that large dynamic range, less contrast, and realistic color type beat. But with that color halation, it does give a little special magic to it that obviously Portra does not have. So having put, I think, 4 total rolls through my head holes and my brain, I am really excited to get some more through it and test it, especially with their 35mm, with how expensive Portra is right now. I think Cinestill has another home run and honestly has just done an excellent job with marketing their product. Here's to hoping they can actually keep the price down, unlike Kodak has done in the last, I don't know, a couple months to 2 years or whatever it's been. 400D carves out a unique and needed spot for itself in Cinestill's lineup, and by these 4 test rolls alone has solidified its spot in my film rotation, ranking very quickly up there as a top tier film in the likes of Portra. I'm stoked to continue to shoot some more rolls and to give a full review and opinions in a couple months once I've put more through my camera. Have you guys tested out 400D yet? Let me know down in the comments below. I've seen a handful of other videos on YouTube from Linus and some other people, and all the results that they've gotten have been honestly just truly amazing, especially from a film that probably doesn't have a ton of research and development into it because of the time it took to get out to the market. But nonetheless, I've been thoroughly impressed. Again, its dynamic range and the ability to look great in multiple lighting conditions despite being a daylight recommended film, which I think is something that people haven't touched on a ton. It can look great in tungsten lighting or even some other really unique lighting conditions. I think it still does well, similarly to Portra. Otherwise, I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. Make sure you check out the channel for some other videos, some film stuff, some camping and overlanding stuff. Otherwise, stay tuned for a more thorough review in the coming months, both on 35 and 120 respectively. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace out and have a good day. Adios.